Hi there, in this video I will show you how to get hosting with a 20% discount plus a free domain and free hosting for 3 months. First of all, go to the video description and click the hosting link. As soon as you click it, a new page will open in front of you. Now scroll down a little. Here you will see 3 main hosting plans. Don't worry, these plan names may look slightly different depending on your country, but the discount works on all plans. No matter which plan you choose, you will get 20% off automatically. Once you select any plan, go to the order summary section. Here below the price, you will clearly see the 20% discount applied. You do not need to enter any coupon code. Discount comes automatically when you buy from my link. Now here is the best part. You get 3 months of hosting absolutely free, and you also get a free domain name. That means you are saving money on hosting and domain together. Let me give you my honest recommendation as an expert. If your budget allows, go for minimum 2 years. If you want maximum saving, choose 4 years, because longer plans gives you lower monthly cost. If you don't know how to claim your free domain and how to install WordPress, I have already made a step-by-step video for that. Link in the description. Watch that video after this one. Thanks for watching.